Ayan, I put some avocado on my bagel. Look at my bagel. Bagel, egg, and the avocado, and my Lender's bagel. And then I cook some egg. Na, muna breakfast for my sweetie pie. Oh, diba? No need cheese. Just eat it like that. Alright, that's delicious. Oh, diba? Just eat it like this.